What's going on, guys? It's Sean. Got another video for you to show you how to create a Google Ads account. So first we're going to go to Google and just type Google Ads. Going to go ahead and click it. One thing you want to notice is sometimes they offer these promo credits. Typically where it works is if you spend whatever the dollar amount is, let's say $1,500, they'll say, in order to get that credit, you got to spend at least $3,000 in the first 60 days, and then you would just claim your offer. So you can go through that, or you can click the start now if that doesn't exist. So we will get this started. All right. So we're going to put in our information, fake business, fakebusiness.com. All right, we're going to go to next. So it's going to try to get us to create a campaign. We're going to set all the details for our country, time zone, and currency. You will have to create a new payment profile. So that's just going to be the person that's responsible for paying Google Ads. I'm going to have to pause the screen here, so I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. Okay, so we got the country, we got the time zone set up, we have our offer in here as well. Your payment profile, if you're an agency, this is going to be your customer's information, so that way they can put their own payment details in. Otherwise, if this is for your own account, you're going to put your details, or you can put a business and your payment method. You're going to see a temporary authorization on the card. I'm also going to explain to you how the billing works. So typically, if you look down here, you're going to see it says you're going to be charged on the first of each month, or anytime your balance exceeds the amount known as your billing threshold. Basically, your billing threshold is going to be some random dollar amount that Google assigns to your account. It could be $300, could be $500. They're going to increase over time with your ad spend if you decide that you want it to be a higher dollar amount. Think of it like a line of credit. Essentially, what's going to happen is you're going to sign up. Let's say they give you a $300 threshold. You're going to be able to buy clicks, buy traffic. And once you hit that $300 mark, they're going to go ahead and charge your card, bring that balance back to zero, and reset. Now, at the end of the month, they're going to close out whatever that balance is on the first. So if you go into the end of the month and you only owe $200, on the first, they're going to take that $200, reset your balance back down to zero, and then repeat itself throughout the month. All right, so we got our account created. So you will have to go through a advertiser verification. Basically, they're just going to want to verify that your business is legitimate. Just give me 1 second. All right, so for test purposes, we're going to put that we're not an agency and that we pay Google Ads directly. All right, so your account is active. And let me close out of these. Your account ID is going to be this number right here. So if you ever need to call into support, you'll give them this number as your account number. If you're assigned an agency to be able to manage your account, they may ask for this number, or they may give you their number to send them an invite. And that's it. Your account's set up.